In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Apple ID password on iPhone. Before we start, a quick note, this only shows the password already saved to your iPhone's built-in password manager. You'll need to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode, and you should only do this on a device you trust. Begin on your home screen and swipe left to open the search field. This is the quickest way to jump straight to what you need without digging through menus. In the search bar, type the word password. You should see the Passwords app appear as a result. Go ahead and tap it. If your iPhone is on an older version of iOS, you may see passwords inside settings instead. The process after that is essentially the same. When the Passwords app opens, your iPhone will ask you to verify it's really you. Use Face ID when prompted. If Face ID isn't available, your device will ask for your passcode. This security step is required before any saved passwords are revealed. Once you're in, tap on all to view the complete list of accounts stored on your device. This organizes everything in one place, making it easier to find what you're after. Scroll through the list or use the search at the top if you prefer, and select the entry labeled Apple. This is where your Apple ID credentials are typically stored when saved to iCloud Keychain. Inside that entry, look to the top right corner and tap Edit. After you enter edit mode, the password field will be visible so you can see the characters. If you're just trying to use it elsewhere, consider copying it rather than reading it aloud. That reduces the chance of someone nearby seeing it. When you're done, tap done or exit the screen to leave edit mode. A few tips to keep in mind. If you don't see an Apple entry, your Apple ID password may not be saved on this device. In that case, you can sign into your Apple ID on the web to update your password or save it the next time you log in. Also, avoid taking screenshots of your password for security reasons and lock your iPhone when you're finished. That's it, you've used the built-in Passwords app to view your Apple ID password on your iPhone securely. If this walkthrough helped, keep your device updated and your password strong, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection.